Good morning, my Wee Ones friends, and welcome to another Wee Ones Wednesday. I'm so glad you could join me again today, and I hope you're all doing well. I'd like to say good morning to some of my friends. I'd like to say good morning to Mariana, Matthew, Maeve, Owen, Camden, Duncan, Will, and Ben, Matilda, Jack, Johnny, Josie, and Eloise, Milo, Emmy, Ridley, Julia, Jackson, and Jameson, JJ and Annabelle, Poppy, Gloria, Emily, Ida, Teddy, Eden, Darshan, Carly, and Joshua. Good morning, everyone, and all of my friends who are joining us today. We'd like to get started by singing our welcome song. And who likes to help us sing our welcome song? That's right, the octopus. Let's call our octopus friend out. Are you ready? Octopus, octopus, where are you? Ah, here's our octopus friend. Good morning, everyone. Hello. Let's sing our song. Octopus, octopus under the sea, won't you tell your name to me? Xanthi, Xanthi. Now your turn. Octopus, octopus under the sea, won't you tell your name to me? Great job! Wonderful, everybody. Say goodbye to our octopus friend. Bye-bye, octopus. There he goes, into the sea. Well, today I was looking for a fun activity with something that you might have around your home. So I found in my home really small cupcake liners. Look like this. You can use big ones or small ones, and I thought I'd make some collages and some pictures. So today, I thought in honor of spring, I would make a flower collage with my cupcake liners. I flattened them out, opened them up, and I glued them down. So we'll be using some glue, some cupcake liners, and some pipe cleaners or markers if you'd like. And I glued down a few. I used some scissors as well to cut into each edge just to make it look like a sun right here. And I cut some little pieces out to make this one look like a different kind of flower. And I used the pieces left over to just make a design on the bottom, so you can make any kind of collage and be really creative with this. The other thing I made was caterpillar and butterfly, because we all know what happens to caterpillars once they form a chrysalis. They come out as a butterfly. So I decided to make a butterfly and a caterpillar, and I also made a pattern with my caterpillar. So as you know, patterns repeat themselves over and over again. So I did a purple one and a blue one, a purple one, a blue one, a purple one, and what would come next? That's right, a blue one, and it continues on and on. So I used those materials just to make whatever I wanted. And so I decided a caterpillar and a butterfly would be fun to make. So please feel free to make those, and let's sing some songs together. First of all, since I did make some flowers, and I've noticed flowers are blooming outside, I thought we'd sing our flower song. So little flowers in the ground, watch the wind blow you round and round. Grow up to the sky so tall, if I don't water you, you will fall. Yay! Good job. Well, we know that flowers need a few things to grow, right? We know that they need water. They need something that's from the sky that shines so bright. That was in my picture. That's right, the sun. And they need soil, right? Or something to grow into. So next week, we're going to be planting some seeds too, so and using some of those things that we need to grow. So we're going to sing some other songs today. How about let's get our 5 monkeys swinging. Let's count our monkeys. Each finger is a monkey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little monkeys swinging in the trees, teasing Mr. Alligator. You can't catch me, no, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, swimming quietly. Then snap, Mr. Alligator, snap, Mr. Alligator. We have 5 monkeys. We take one away. How many monkeys are left? 1, 2, 3, 4 little monkeys swinging in the trees, teasing Mr. Alligator. You can't catch me, no, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, swimming quietly. Then snap, Mr. Alligator, snap, Mr. Alligator. We have 4 monkeys. We take one away. How many monkeys are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That's right. 3 little monkeys swinging in the trees, teasing Mr. Alligator. You can't catch me, no, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, swimming quietly. Then snap, Mr. Alligator, snap, Mr. Alligator. We have 3 monkeys. We take one away. How many are left? That's right, two. Two little monkeys swinging in the trees, teasing Mr. Alligator. You can't catch me, no, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, swimming quietly. Then snap, Mr. Alligator, snap, Mr. Alligator. We have two monkeys, we take one away. Now how many are left? One little monkey swinging in the trees, teasing Mr. Alligator. You can't catch me, no, you can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, swimming quietly. Then snap, Mr. Alligator, snap, Mr. Alligator. And what does the monkey say? Na 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 na, you didn't catch me. Yay! All right, let's see. Let's do a stand-up song. So let's stand up and shake out our sillies. Shake your arms and your legs and your feet and your head and freeze. Good job. And stretch really high and bend over and touch your toes and swing your arms like a monkey. Swing, swing, swing. And back up. And it's time for the hokey pokey. Let's start with our arm. You put your arm in, you put your arm out, you put your arm in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Your leg, you put your leg in, you put your leg out, you put your leg in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Your tummy, you put your tummy in, you put your tummy out, put your tummy in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Your head, you put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Your backside, you put your backside in, you put your backside out, you put your backside in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Your whole self. Are you ready? You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Yay! Good job, everybody. That was great. All right, let's try head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Does everyone know where your head is? We just pointed to it. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yay! What's that? You want to try it really fast? Really, really fast? All right, let's do it. Ready, go. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Yay! That was really fast. Great job, everybody. Let's see. I picked a book that you might be familiar with. It's The Very Hungry Caterpillar. One of my favorites, and you probably know it well. And I picked that because I made a caterpillar picture. So let's see. The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And you know who wrote this book and who illustrated it, Eric Carle, one of my favorite authors. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. See the egg? One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up and pop, out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, 1, 2, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. And he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4. But he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But he was still hungry. Oh goodness, here we go. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache. No wonder. But the next day was Sunday again, and the caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he became a beautiful butterfly. Look at that. That's beautiful. Look how he used the different paper shapes to make the wings. You could do that as well with your cupcake liners if you'd want, or even any scrap paper you have at home. So good job. Thank you everyone for listening today, and thanks for joining me for Wee Ones. Let's see, if you create any collages or any pictures and you want to share them with us online, please post them below. We'd love to see what you're making and what you're up to at home. And next week we're going to be growing seeds. So if you have any pea seeds or bean seeds at home, maybe gather those up and we'll do some fun greenhouse growing next week. So I miss you all. Have a wonderful week, and we'll hopefully see you soon. Bye-bye.